So after consulting with two of my closest friends, who I totally trust with my career decisions, they stated they wanted to see a separate video on the grip and bar install of the Yamaha R9. So I already know that everybody and their mother has made one, but here goes ours. So to remove the bar end, I'll be using a 5mm Allen wrench. So there are numerous ways to get a grip off a handlebar, but today I'm going to use the method of a needle nose pliers and some industrial scissors. So to remove any of the excess glue, I'll be using alcohol and a rough cloth. Now for your grips, you'll need to know which one's for the throttle and which one's for the handlebar. And the easiest way to tell is the hole size. The one with the larger diameter will go on the throttle tube. Now to install the grip, we want to use a good amount of alcohol that will go inside of the grip, and we'll be adding some to the handlebar. I want to get it all in there. And then we'll just slide it on. So next is just to install your bar in. So that is about where I want it. So a lot of people think it's cheating when you don't show your throttle side. So just so you know, it's just as easy. Let's go ahead and swap it out. And then of course, wipe off any alcohol with a soft cloth. Then we just want to add our bar in. And then confirm you have throttle snapback, and you should be all set. Now that to me looks much more acceptable. So on that note, folks, your boy's gonna get out of here. But I do want to say I am pleasantly surprised on the progress that we've made on the bike. Looking like a couple more videos and we might be done. So until next time, this is your boy Kachi's Kid. Everybody have a great day, and you know I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace, ma.